Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us to celebrate this very special occasion for us. I'm very proud to stand in front of this workforce and congratulate you. A few weeks ago, we did build the 500,000th truck, and we discussed this truck and how we should celebrate. We looked at who we could donate this to, and unanimously we thought FareShare Northern Ireland.
We take surplus food from the supply chain, from producers, manufacturers and retailers, and we redistribute it to charities across Northern Ireland. We've noticed an upsurge lately in the amount of schools that are coming to us looking for help and support. So that's for breakfast clubs, it's then went into lunch clubs, it's gone into after schools and eventually parcels going out to families. So the forklift that we've been donated is going to help us in so many ways. It's going to help us get food in the door quicker and get it out to our charities and community groups a lot quicker. This will help our volunteers to develop themselves. So we've retirees, we have students, we have asylum seekers coming in. We'll be able to use the forklift truck to give them some training, and it means if they want to get back into the workforce, then they'll have the skills to go with that. So congratulations everyone, and thank you so much. We're really grateful that you've chosen us as your charity to donate to. So thank you.